This is one of the easiest way you can make money online, for it does not involve any investment of any such, and it is very easy. So no promoting of any affiliate link or any affiliate program. All you need is your smartphone or your tablet or even your laptop. So this process can be performed on either your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop. Is available all over the world. So all you need to do is what I'm going to show you in this video, and it is extremely easy, very easy. So don't skip any part whatsoever. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in which you can make money worldwide without any investment of any such. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to do is to come right here. Alright, so you come to this website here. I'll tell you the name of this website very soon. So this website has free pictures, free videos, free vectors, illustrators, and we are going to download some free pictures, some free video on this website. Alright, so now let's just go down. You can see some beautiful pictures that you can use. So this is the first step we're going to do in order to make money without any investment. Just come to this website, pixabay.com. As you can see, pixabay.com, pixabay.com. Alright, I'll put the link below. Just click on the link. So I'll call it the first website. Click on the link and you'll be brought straight to this place. Alright, you can just come here and turn this image and turn it to video, because we actually need video and not image. Then just click on anything that have to involve money. So I'm going to search for a keyword that have to do with money here. So let me just search for dollars. Okay, just search for dollars and just hit the enter button. When I hit the enter, the website is going to give me pictures and videos related to money, as you can see. So we have dollars here, we have, so I'm just going to pick one here. So let me just pick this first one, this dollar, and that's counting. So I'm going to click on it. It's very important to follow every step I'm going to show you in this video, because this video does not involve you to make any investment, and I'm going to show you my own back end, the money I've made in a very short little period of time. I'm going to show you everything. Alright, so just this is a video, it's very free video. Just come here and click on free download. Alright, so go to click on free download and you can just select any size. So I'm going to select the lowest size here and click on download. You can actually select anyone you want based on your preference. Alright, that's been done. So it's going to download automatically for me onto my laptop. You can see it downloading. You can also use smartphone and you are good to go. So let me just search for another keyword. So let me type for keyword typing. Let me search for typing. Alright, so I'm going to search for typing. So it's very important, just follow there. I'm good to go. So as you can see, I'm typing here. So I'm going to download one of these two, one of it. So let me just download this one. Okay, let me download this one. So and I is typing. You can also download this one. Alright, so it's important, just follow me, don't skip any part. I'm going to show you how you can make money without investment right now. Alright, so this is the first website. Come to Pixabay, download any video related to money and typing, or related to money, email, related to money and phone, that is related to devices and money. Just download the application. Then you come to this website here, the second website here. This second website here, I'm going to put the link also in the description button below. I'll call it second website. So when you come to the second website here, all you have to do, alright, so let me just give you a quick glance through this website here. So this present website here is known as Volutic. Okay, Volutic. So I'm going to put the link below. Just click on the link and you'll be brought here automatically. So all you have to do is that in Volutic you earn money by reading mail. So all you simply have to do is to read mail. I'm going to show you the back end of my own dashboard, and I've made a little amount of money within just a few hours of creating this. Alright, so you have to do just to earn money by reading mail wherever you are. This can be performed, as I told you earlier, it can be performed on your PC, your tablet or mobile phone. And the payment rate, the minimum payment is very small. That is $0.2. Immediately you enter $0.2, you can withdraw your money, and that is very beautiful. So the minimum payout is very little. At least one of the website that will allow you to just withdraw this little amount of money. So it means that you do not have have to wait for years, for months or hours. Just a little click with some email, you are good to go. In addition to that, they also offer a high level of commission. Like you can earn up to 6 level. We have the 100 percentage, 90 like that. And lastly, they will pay you $1 free if any of your refer earns $1. So let's say for example you refer somebody to this website and the person earn $1, you're going to earn automatically $1. But let me tell you this, without actually referring anybody, you can be able to make up to $0.2 within 2 days or even a day. You can make up to that. Alright, so just come down and as you can see, because it's a new website, they have a total of 28,221 at this time I'm recording, and 551 members are online, and they have paid a total of $5,011. So because it's a new website, so since it is new, it is high time you can just cultivate as much money you can cultivate before people begin to know more about it. So you are very lucky to be the first person to know about this. So that's what you just to click on the sign up button. So this is the second website. I'm going to show you the last website, so don't go anywhere. Don't just jump and begin to do that. Wait until you watch to the end of this video and you now know how to do things. So when you click on that, all you have to do is to put in your username. Put in any username, because you're actually creating a new account. You put in your email, your valid email, your password, then you confirm your password. Then the refer, since you have clicked on the link below, the refer will automatically fill up here. Then you're going to click on, you're going to mark up all these things. Alright, you're going to map up all these things, tick, 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 and you click on register. So when you click on register, you will receive an email for authentication and you are good to go. Alright, so that's been done. Now let me take you to the back end of my the website here. So this is the back end here. Alright, so this is loading. Let us wait for a few seconds. Alright, so this is the back end. As you can see, I've already have about 1 cent, 0.0144. Just some few hours of being on this website. I actually created this website yesterday. That is yesterday night. Yes, night when I discovered it. And this morning I've made 0.0144 by just reading email. Very simple email. I just have to be on the email without typing, without actually clicking on any link. So let's send me an email. I will put the email, leave it for about just few seconds. It's not up to a minute, just few seconds. Although it's going to click for 60 seconds, but it's not up to a minute. Actually, it's very fast. Alright, so just wait for that. Literally, as you can see, I've performed some activity, and each activity I'm paid is $0.0016. As you can see, so today I actually received 5 mails, and the total of the 5 mails I received land me is 0.0114. So if tomorrow per virtual I also receive 5 mails or more than that, this is going to increase. So if tomorrow I have reached the minimum payout and I can withdraw my money. Alright, so now for you to make money very fast, you have to refer people. Although you may decide not to refer people, but I'm going to show you the easiest way you can actually refer people to this to actually register under you, and you can make money very quick. Alright, so just come here and copy your refer link. As you can see here, you're going to copy your own here, and we downloaded some images using Pixabay, right? So we're going to come to this website here. I'm going to tell the name of the website very soon. Let me just load. So on this website, it is where you're going to upload the image, the videos you have downloaded from Pixabay. And now let me tell you something about this website. So let's come to my similar web here, my similar web extension here. And as you can see, this website is actually ranking so much. It is one of the so let me just open that and show you with evidence. Alright, so this is just loading. So my similar web is loading. I'm going to give you details of the application. So sorry, of this website. This imgo.com is ranking 122 globally, and UK is 91, and in computer electronic category is ranking number 1. This shows that there are so many people that come to this website on a daily basis. Okay. Alright, so let's come down here a little bit and let me show you. Alright, so my website, my computer is kind of slow down a little bit here. Alright, so I can just give you this much about them because of my website is actually just doing okay, but that is not what is important here per se. I want to show you that there are millions of people that come to this website on a daily basis, and this website is just concerned with, you can put pictures, you can put videos, and you are good to go. Alright, so all you have to do is just to create an account and click on post new. Remember that we downloaded some video from Pixabay, so we are going to put in those videos that is related to typing. You actually make money by people with registering under you and them typing for you to make money. Okay, so I'm just going to come to this place, and this first one, I'm going to just drag it here. So it has finally uploaded now. So you have to give it a title. You have to give it a very compelling title that will make people to actually come and click on your link. So I'm going to give it this simple title, post title. So I'm going to type earn free money by just reading email. Alright, so people have to understand that they will actually make money by just reading email. So that's all you have to do. Then you can just put in a description like click here to earn. Click here to earn, then just put in your link here. The link you copied from your Volatility dashboard, you put it here and you are good to go. That's all you have to do there. Then you come to community. It's very important that you post this to community. Don't click on mature. Just come to community, and when you post it to community, so just click on post publicly. It becomes so public that every person can come to this website and you are good to go. Alright, so literally when you finish posting this, you'll be able to see it here. It is going here. So people will come to this website in their numbers, and they will see what you have posted. You are good to go. So what people have to do is just to come here and click on your link. So when people click on your link, it automatically takes them to the website, and they will just actually, and when they register, they begin to receive mail, you begin to receive monies also. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that the first thing you have to do is to come to Pixabay, download your video, and download any video from Pixabay, then get your link, register, get your link from Volatility, then come to Igmo. It's not a must to actually use Igmo. You can use your social media handles. You can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, and all people have to do is just to click on your link. They will receive money, they will enjoy it, they will not spam you, just quick messages, the quick email, they just read it and they make money. So even without you refine anybody, you can actually make money by yourself, because the payout minimum is very low, 0.2. Even in the next few minutes, I should have been able to withdraw. So I'm going to also create a video on how the withdrawal process goes. Alright, so if you want to withdraw, it's very important that you come to your, okay, let me just show you this. It's very important you come to your profile here and you click on setting. You have to enable your payer. So payer is two payers you are going to actually be able to make money. We're able to withdraw money. As you can see here, I've actually enabled my own payer. So when I come to payment, you see that my payer has been enabled. I actually I went to payer.com, create an account. So when you create an account, I will advise you that when you create an account, when they give you your they call it account ID. This is the account ID. You can also screenshot it so that you don't forget. It's very important, or write it down somewhere. That's what I'm going to put here. Just save it. So maybe you will do is bring your payer account. Just go to payer.com, payeer.com, and you are going to create an account with them, and it's very easy like that. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to click the like button, because when you click the like button, it enables YouTube to push this video to others, so that they can see it and also earn money just like you and I. So if you have gotten value in this video and you're a new subscriber, kindly consider subscribing. If you're a newcomer, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you so much. I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.